let's recall our two triangles. The first one involving 45 degrees. And we found that the other angle would be 45, so that the sides, the two legs, would be the same. So we call those 1 and 1. And using Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse is square root of 2. The second triangle we did was 60 degrees and 30 degrees with our 90-degree angle. Basically what we did there was made it into an equilateral triangle by reflecting this triangle over to the right, so that the bottom was twice this length, so we call that 2. So then half of that would be 1, which means the hypotenuse was 2. And then using Pythagorean theorem, the other side would be square root of 3. Okay, so using these two triangles, let's find the exact value of, let's say, sine of 45 degrees times the cosine of 30 degrees. So 45 degrees, we'll look at that first triangle. The sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. For cosine of 30 degrees, go to 30 degrees, adjacent over hypotenuse. Just multiplying that, we get square root of 3 over 2 square root of 2. And then rationalizing, we get square root of 6 over 4. Okay, let's do the same thing, but let's look at these angles in terms of radians. So remember that 45 degrees is pi over 4 radians. 30 degrees is pi over 6 radians. And then 60 degrees is pi over 3 radians. So let's say I want to do tangent of pi over 4 minus the sine of pi over 3. So tangent of pi over 4, same thing as tangent of 45 degrees, so opposite over adjacent, that's 1. The sine of pi over 3 is the same thing as sine of 60 degrees, so opposite over hypotenuse, square root of 3 over 2. So then putting this together, I would need a common denominator. Let me use a 2. So 1 is the same thing as 2 divided by 2, so that's 2 minus square root of 3. Let's do one more. Let's do radians again. Let's say we have the tangent of pi over 6, and let's say we're going to square that. Again, I put the square in between so that you're not squaring the angle, you're squaring the tangent of the angle, plus sine squared of pi over 4. Okay, so again, tangent of pi over 6 is the same thing as tangent of 30 degrees. So finding 30 degrees, the tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent, and then I'm going to square that. Sine of pi over 4, same thing as sine of 45 degrees. So 1 over the square root of 2, square that. So squaring top and bottom, I get 1/3 plus 1/2. Common denominator of 6. So 1/3 is the same thing as 2 over 6, 1/2 is 3 over 6, so 5 over 6.